Hey everybody, it's Charles again with another before and after video. Got a good one today, a new Duramax 2025 GMC Sierra. Our client. Give you a quick before. Is definitely a little on the not too bad on the inside. He does use his stuff for hunting. And we will come back when we have her clean. And here is the finished product, everybody. Definitely cleaner. Way cleaner than we started with. Client should be very happy, which he usually is. And it's definitely, I had to move some stuff around in the back, but it is what it is. He carries a bunch of stuff with him. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this before and after video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Would love to have you part of our weekly videos and shorts that come out. If you like before and after detail videos. If you're in the Lake City or Florence, South Carolina area, if you would like to schedule getting your vehicle done or get pricing, please leave me a comment in any of the videos, including this one, and I will get in touch with you, send you my email address, and we can talk pricing and get you scheduled. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas coming up as well.